So for question number 15, we need to estimate the minimum uncertainty in the speed of an electron of mass 9.109 times 10 to the negative 31 kilograms if it's confined to the diameter of an atom of 193 picometer. So first of all, we are going to be using the Heisenberg uncertainty principle again. So this one is where we cannot know precisely both the position and momentum of a particle at the same time. Also remember that this constant is not the normal Planck's constant, it's the reduced Planck's constant. So for the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, we always use the reduced Planck's constant, which is Planck's constant divided by 2 pi. So we remember that the change of momentum is also equal to m delta v times delta x is greater than or equal to h over 2. So we can isolate the speed, this equality, so the change in speed is greater than or equal to the reduced Planck's constant divided by 2 times the mass times the change in position. Now, for this problem, to give us the diameter in picometers, we need to change this to meters. So we're going to again use dimensional analysis. So 193 picometers times 1 picometer equals how many meters? 10 to the negative 12 meters. Therefore, we have 193 times 10 to the negative 12 meters. So we have all the necessary information to solve this problem because also the mass is in kilograms, which is what we want. So now we can solve it. So the minimum uncertainty in the speed is with a reduced Planck's constant 1.05457 times 10 to negative 34 joules times second divided by 2 times the mass, which is 9.109 times 10 to the negative 31 times 193 times 10 to the negative 12. Oh, here, remember the units, kilogram. So remember again that joules equals kilogram times meter squared over second squared. So you will see that one of the seconds will cross out, one of the meters will cross out, the kilograms will cross out, and at the end we're left with the change in speed is greater than or equal to 3 times 10 to the 5 meters per second. Now this 3 times 10 to the 5th meters per second is the minimum uncertainty in the speed.